1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now 7 furrows on a fully mounted reversible plough. This together with a choice of operating the tractor on land or in the furrow. Is this realistic or just a dream? With Kverneland's expertise and today's steel technology, a multi-furrow, fully mounted reversible plough is now reality. On the threshold of a new millennium, Kverneland has introduced a plough range that's very innovative and will help strengthen the position of the plough as a long-established and natural implement in soil preparation. Many farmers with 200 horsepower tractors or more will be very skeptical when we talk about a 7-furrow fully mounted reversible plough. Questions will be asked. What about the tractor's 3-point linkage and the rear axle assembly? Are they strong enough? And will the plough stand up to the enormous loads imposed? Firstly, with the significant increase in horsepower, tractor lift systems are naturally subject to continuous product development and today are more than capable of lifting such large implements. Secondly, Kverneland's expertise in the use of special steels, together with heat treatment processes, has always been to manufacture low-weight products. With the intensive use of technology in plough development, they are more than able to tolerate the heavy loads imposed. This new plough range is no exception. Today it's possible at a very early stage in the design process to use state-of-the-art technology and computer design to simulate all the loads that materials have to be able to withstand. This means the designers are able to size the individual components on the basis of this information. Subsequently, once the plough has been built, rigorous testing takes place at Kverneland's test laboratory in Norway. Here, the plough will be exposed to high-impact loads together with stress and strain simulation that are far harsher than those encountered during normal field operation. In fact, over 300,000 bumps, twists and loads are applied on a special test rig, combined with more than 32,000 plough reversals. This extreme testing is carried out on all new implements and must be ratified before any production can commence. Following the fitment of advanced measuring equipment to the plough, further investigation and testing can be done outdoors. For example, using a trial track where the tractor and raised plough pass over obstacles. This exposes the plough to very high shock forces, well above those normally encountered. These measurements are relayed by wireless transmission to a computer and recorded into a special program, where they can later be analyzed. Depending on the type of implement being tested, the test controller may take the machine to a field for further evaluation. In this particular test field, there are many rocks which subject the plough components to very severe working conditions. All in all, the testing procedure is extreme and thus ensures all Kverneland products are built to the highest standards of reliability. One component on a mounted reversible plough that's exposed to some of the highest forces is the headstock. For this reason, our latest plough range is fitted with a completely new design. An important part of a headstock is the main turnover axle, as this has to pull and support the entire plough. To achieve the necessary strength, special alloy steel is used that's undergone various heat treatment processes and is then machined to a diameter of 150 millimeters. The same applies to all other vital components that form the complete headstock, which ensures essential reliability. It takes many years of experience and numerous calculations to be able to manufacture this important part for such a large plough, without making it extremely heavy and clumsy. Other parts of the plough structure must also have similar strength. These too must not be over-dimensioned with a weight penalty. This is another reason why Kverneland uses special specified steel for the main frame that's especially heat-treated by the company's own exacting standards. Using lightweight heat-treated steel provides the essential strength necessary for a large 7-furrow plough. Compared with many other plough makes on the market, Kverneland ploughs can be up to 20% lighter. A tractor of 200 to 250 horsepower is capable of handling this size of plough, even when turning the plough over on the headlands. Both are very stable. As with all other Kverneland ploughs, the driver makes turns quickly and easily without any special effort. In fact, it's very impressive to see such a large reversible plough turn so smoothly. This is all due to the plough being in balance as it's rotated. As previously mentioned, the tractor can operate on land and has been designed specifically for this purpose and for use with large tractors having wide tires, twin wheels or tracks. To ensure the tractor doesn't slide into the furrow bottom when working in wet conditions, the overall offset of the plough is a massive 3.7 meters. Simply by adjusting the special hydraulic cylinder, the plough can instantly be converted for in-furrow operation. In theory, it would be possible to plough on land downhill and in the furrow uphill. This on-land to in-furrow option is possible because two hydraulic cylinders have been combined to regulate the degree of offset in relation to the tractor. This, together with an additional slave alignment cylinder, makes vary-width furrow width adjustment possible. When the master and slave cylinders are operated, the furrow width can be infinitely adjusted between 30 to 50 centimeters. This not only changes the width to suit soil types or terrain, but also has the benefit of being able to use the pulling force of the tractor in varying soil conditions. At the same time, these ploughs have been designed for perfect ploughing, even at shallow depths where fuel savings can be made. This enables the plough to become competitive in relation to other soil preparing implements. Kverneland designers have also been ingenious with respect to converting from a working position to transport by the use of two-depth control wheels. Simply by repositioning the wheels, the plough is quickly prepared for transport. When in the transport mode, the plough is very stable and maneuverable. Reversing, for example, is very simple. The robust design ensures reliable and smooth transport even when driving on uneven roads. Because the plough's in a half-turn position, the plough is well within the overall width of the tractor and therefore complies with highway regulations. Known as the models EO and LO, these ploughs are available in 5, 6 and 7 furrow variations and can be equipped with many options to suit conditions. The Auto Reset EO model is fitted with the famous Kverneland leaf spring system for non-stop operation, whilst the LO version is fitted with shear bolt protection for those occasional unforeseen obstacles. For centuries, the plough has proved to be the most effective implement against the control of weeds and has the added benefit of improving the soil structure as well as drainage. That's why we at Kverneland have built a large, heavy-duty reversible plough having high output and performance to meet the ever-increasing demands of modern farming practices.